what is mechanical power and what is electrical power. For example, person P1 applies force on this box to move from point A to point B in 13 minutes. And person P2 applies force on the same box to move from point A to point B, but he took 19 minutes. Force is applied on the box and distance is covered from point A to B. Force is applied and distance is covered, means work is done. Both did the work, same work, but person P1 has more power because he took less time. He took 30 minutes, while the person P2 took 19 minutes. Both did the work. Both did the work. Work done per unit time is called power. Both did the work, but the person P1 took less time. Means work done with respect to time is called power. So P1 has more power because he took less time as compared to P2. P2 took 19 minutes. Another example of electrical work. For example, we have a water pump A and a water pump B. When we close the circuit means we switch on the water pump. These electrons will flow. Now the circuit is open. Now the circuit is closed. When circuit is closed, these electrons will flow through this water pump and the armature of water pump will start to rotate. And these electrons will flow back to the positive terminal through this wire. Now when the water pump is turned on, it will fill this, this water tank at the first floor in 15 minutes. And the water pump B fills this same tank in 25 minutes. Both water pump A and water pump B did the work, same work, but water pump B completed in 15 minutes and the same work water pump B completed in 25 minutes. Water pump A has more power because it took less time. Work with respect to time is called power. And also, power is equal to product of voltage and current. The voltage of this battery and the current. Here I explained in this lecture where power is product of voltage and current. For detail about the power, please visit my YouTube channel.